Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Realtek RTL8723BE adapter is experiencing driver or hardware related problems. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I'd recommend doing would be to actually reset your router. So if you have a router plugged into a wall or there's a router reset button, I'd recommend pushing it or unplugging it from the wall and then seeing after about 30 seconds plugging it back in and then seeing if that resolves the problem. Also, try restarting your computer as well. That's something else I would additionally recommend trying. A further step we can go ahead and do after you've tried that would be to open up the start menu. Type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset listed right above system settings. Go ahead and left click on that. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection, please take note of your Wi-Fi key before you reset this because you will need to enter it upon restarting your computer. So anyway, network reset, this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Go ahead and select the Reset Now button. It's going to ask, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select yes. And you will be signed out of your computer, so just make sure you save and close out of any open programs and applications and go ahead and restart your device. And there you go, guys. You might have the traditional questions when you connect to a new network asking if you want to allow your computer to be discoverable by other PCs and devices. I'm just going to select no. Most of you guys, could be yes or no, depending if you have shared printers or files or folders, whatnot. But that's really not the focus of this tutorial. Anyway, I do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.